I'm involved in sourcing and producing biofuels from rapeseed oil or used cooking oil or algae or other biofeedstocks. Currently, I'm involved in a project to build a co-processing plant in our Schwechat refinery. This plant alone will help us to save up to 360,000 tons of CO2 per year. This is the same as a car driving 60,000 times around the equator. The co-processing plant can produce green diesel out of a wide variety of different feedstocks like vegetable oils, used cooking oil, cashew oil or algae or whatever research comes up with next. The good thing about the plant is that it can process the fossil oil together with the biogenic feedstock, instead of blending it at the end of the process. So from a chemicals point of view, the final biofuel has a similar structure to the conventional fuel and can be used by any vehicle without any issue. Co-processing allows us to increase the biogenic component in the diesel and in turn helps to reduce the carbon footprint.